How to scan a QR code from any type or any brand of smartphone just from your mobile phone, how you can do it from your mobile phone camera. So basically, there is nothing in this video that is too simple for all of you guys. What you have mainly do is simply, whenever you will open your phone, simply unlock it. And on the home page, just like I'm on the home screen of my phone right now, I will simply swipe this toggle from here and then swipe again. Here in this options like mobile data, silent mode, flashlight, location, airplane mode, in these all option you just need to search an option for that. Let me just search for, there is a lot of option, and there is an option called QR code tap to scan. You simply have to click on this, and from this application this is an inbuilt feature in every device or every Android phone you're using, powered by Google. This is basically powered by the Google. You can also download it from the Play Store if you don't have this feature. Now here in this square thing you can place the QR code and it will be scanned. Also you can upload from your gallery to scan a QR code. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.